An initial and important consideration when choosing plastic packaging for products used in the auto care sector is the compatibility of your liquid product with the plastic that the bottle is made from. Should your product contain a high solvent content, PET is the one for you. That's that one, that one, that one, and that one. They're PET bottles, and the chemical compatibility of PET to solvents is very, very much better than it is to HDPE. Now, the opposite applies when we're talking about an alkaline product. An alkaline product will render PET bottle very, very brittle, so should it be dropped, it will shatter. HDPE, however, is much more resistant to an alkaline. So an HDPE bottle, that one, that one, that one, and that one, that's what you want to be looking for when your product is a caustic. One really key thing here is never ever put snow foam into a PET bottle. Please remember that. We have a variety of bottle shapes available to cover all choices. We have a cylindrical bottle, a Boston bottle, flat-shouldered, cylindrical, often called a tubular, and then here we have the conventional spray bottles, intended for use with a trigger head. When choosing packaging, think how the product's going to be used. If it's a product that's simply poured out into a bucket, let's say, like a shampoo, standard conventional screw cap will be absolutely fine. Where you may want to regulate the flow, you don't want to use too much, maybe an expensive car polish, a flip top or disc top will regulate that flow for you. If the product is to be sprayed on, smaller bottles, a mist spray or a mini trigger, larger bottles on conventional spray bottles, perfect for the conventional trigger head there. When it comes to colour, black seems to be a popular choice in the auto care sector. But if your product is coloured and you'd like to use that in your marketing, you'd like to show the colour of your product, consider a clear PET bottle. Alternately, there's always the standard white and natural HDPE. Whatever packaging requirements you have for the auto sector, we'd be very pleased to help. Please get in touch. We're waiting for you. Ask Cambrian.